Good day, everyone. I'm Sir R.G. Layson, your math tutor and guide on this exciting journey through the world of numbers. In this video, we will discuss all about dividing rational algebraic expressions. So let us recall first, how do we divide fractions? So we have a over b divided by c over d. So all we need to do is we just need to copy for our dividend, which is a over b, and we need to change the operation from division to multiplication. And then find the reciprocal of your divisor, which is c over d. It will turn out now to a over b times d over c. And then we can multiply this one by numerator to numerator, that is a times d, we have ad, and denominator times denominator, and then that is equal to b times c, where your b and c and d must not equal to 0. So let's have an example. We have 3/5 divide 2 over 7. So our dividend here is 3/5 and our divisor is 2 over 7. So copy the dividend and then change the operation from division to multiplication, and then find the reciprocal of your divisor, that is 2 over 7. The reciprocal of that is 7 over 2. Now you can multiply directly by numerator times numerator and denominator by its denominator. 3 times 7, we have 21. 5 times 2, we have 10. So we can't reduce that one, so this is the final answer, 21 over 10. Next, we have 4/5 divide 3/11. First, copy the dividend, that is 4/5. Change the operation from division to multiplication, and then reciprocal of your divisor, that is 11 over 3. So then numerator times numerator, 4 times 11, we have 44. And then denominator times denominator, 5 times 3, we have 15. 4/3, next example, we have 4/3 divide 5 over 7. Copy the dividend, that is 4/3. Change the operation from division to multiplication, and then the reciprocal of your dividend, that is 7/5. Then numerator times numerator, 4 times 7, we have 28. 3 times 5, we have 15. So we have 28 over 15. Next, we have 3/5 divide 4. So we can make this one into fraction form. The 4 is 4 over 1. And then next, we need to copy the dividend, that is 3/5. Change the operation from division to multiplication. And then the reciprocal of 4 over 1 is 1/4. Then numerator times numerator, 3 times 1, we have 3. And then 5 times 4, we have 20. Now, in dividing rational algebraic expression, it's the same way in when you divide fractions or rational numbers. So we have here p over q divide r divide s. So all we need to do, the p over q here is our dividend, and then our r divide s is our divisor. All we need to do, copy the dividend and change the operation from division to multiplication, and then the reciprocal of your divisor, which is SR. And then multiply it, numerator by its numerator. We have P times S, we have PS. Q times R, we have QR. Where your P, Q, R, and S are polynomial. And then Q, we need to take note that QRS must not equal to 0. Because again, if your denominator or your QRS will be 0, that means the result will be undefined. Steps in dividing rational algebraic expression. So first, we need to determine the dividend and the divisor of the expression. Second, we need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. Third, we have to multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor and simplify if possible. Example number 1, we have x plus y over x minus y divide x divided by x over y. Okay. Our dividend here is x plus y over x minus y, and our divisor is x over y. So copy the dividend and then change the operation from division to multiplication, And then the divisor, you find the reciprocal of the divisor. The reciprocal of x over y is y over x. Balihon lang. And then next, we need to distribute this one, simplify by distributive property. X times y, we have xy. Y times y, we have y squared. And also in the denominator, we have x times x, we have x squared, and x times negative y, we have negative xy. So our final answer is xy plus y squared over x squared minus xy. Since we can't simplify this one, that is our final answer. Example number 2, we have 2x minus 5 over 4 divided by x plus 3 over 4. So our dividend here is 2x minus 5 over 4, and our divisor is x plus 3 over 4. So all we need to do, copy the dividend, 2x minus 5 over 4, change the operation from division to multiplication, and find the reciprocal of your divisor. So we have 4 over x plus 3. Now notice that you can cancel out 4 and 4 here. Their common is 4. So divide both of them by 4. We have 1 and 1. And our remaining terms now is 2x minus 5 over x plus 3. Example number 3, we have x minus 2 over 2 divided by x minus 2 over 5. So our dividend here is x minus 2 over 2. Our divisor is x minus 2 over 5. So first, copy the dividend, x minus 2 over 2. Change the operation from division to multiplication. And then, find the reciprocal of your dividend. The divisor, which is 5 over x minus 2. Now, notice that we can cancel out the x minus 2 and x minus 2. It will turn out to 1 and 1. So the remaining terms or the remaining value is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. So 5 halves. For example number 4, we have 3p squared plus 6p plus 3 over p plus 1 divided by 3p. So our dividend here is 3p squared plus 6p plus 3 over p plus 1, and our divisor is 3 over p. Next, now we factor out 3 since we can simplify this one. Factoring the GCMF for this terms is 3. So we have now 3 times p squared plus 2p plus 1 over p plus 1. Change the operation from division to multiplication, and the reciprocal of your divisor, which is p over 3. Now notice the term here. You can also factor that one, and that is p times p plus 1 times p plus 1. P times p squared, p plus p times 1, we have 1p. 1 times p, we had 1p, so that means we have 2p, and 1 times 1, we have 1. Now notice that we can cancel out p plus 1 in your numerator and p plus 1 in your denominator. And also 3, and then in the divisor terms also 3. So that means the remaining terms now we have p plus 1 times p over 1. And then use the distributive property to simplify. P times p, we have p squared, and 1 times p, we have 1p. Okay, we have here 1p. Okay, last example, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 over x plus 3. So our dividend here is x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x squared plus 4x plus 4 divided by x plus 1 over x plus 3. Change the operation from division to multiplication and find the reciprocal of your divisor, which is x plus 3 over x plus 1. Now, factor out the terms here in your numerator from x squared plus 5x plus 6. The factor for that one is x plus 2 times x plus 3. And then in denominator, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. The factor for that one is x plus 2 times x plus 2. So cancel out the same terms. We have x plus 2 and x plus 2. And then the remaining, multiply the remaining terms. We have x plus 3 times x plus 3 over x plus 2 times x plus 2. Using FOIL method, we need to simplify this one. X times x, x squared. X times 3, 3x. Plus 3x. And then plus 9. So that means we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. And in denominator, x times x, x squared. X times 1, we have x or 1x. And 2 times x, we have 2x. So 1x plus 2x, we have 3x. And then 1 times 2, we have 2. So this is the simplest form in the given rational algebraic expression. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've learned something out of this lesson. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your grade 8 friends. Thank you so much again, everyone, and God bless. Goodbye.